Hello everyone, today I'm going to guide you how to operate and set up your Rubik Fireproof Fingerprint Safe Box. So when you will receive the Safe Box, you will receive two set of keys. One will look like this. This is emergency key. And one is like this. This is user key. So the most important thing, you always have to keep your keys outside of the Safe Box always. Alright. Then the next step, you have to install the battery in this. You will just turn it left and here's the batteries. You can remove this and install the batteries. It use AAA size. You can use alkaline batteries. So now the question is how to open the Safe Box. So for example, if you want to open, first thing you need this user key. You need to just turn this and insert the key and turn it clockwise. Now if you want to open with the code, just press star and enter the code, which is 1234 by default, and hash. If the green light comes, you can open the Safe Box. Now how to close? It's very simple. Just close the door and turn the handle to the left side. Now the Safe Box is closed. So a lot of customers, a lot of people, they prefer not to carry the key. That's fine. They can keep the key in this position always. So Safe Box will not open. Why? Because it must need code or fingerprint. So this is actually an extra layer of security. So for example, if you want to travel, you just remove the key and even someone knows your password, nobody can open. So this is how the Safe Box works. So let's say now I want to open with the finger. Of course I need the key, and right now no fingerprint is registered, so I can open with any finger. So let's say with my thumb, green light, I can open. How to close? It's very simple. Close. Now we need to change our management password. Right now it's 1234, and why I am calling it management password and what is user password? Management password will be used to add fingers, add user password, and add management password as well. So let's try. So this is very important. Management password you always have to write somewhere and or memorize it, because this is very important. So how to change the management password? Let's say I have to press hash for 3 to 4 seconds. Once I will see this, I will enter the management password, current management password, which is 1234 hash. Then I have to press 1 and then press hash. Now I will press 001 and then hash. Now I will enter new management password. For example, I will go with 456456 hash. Again 456456 hash. It's done. So let's try with 1234. I cannot, because I have already changed it. So let's try with 456456 hash. It's done. Now let's add fingerprint, management fingerprint. So you can store from 001 to 005, you can store management password or management finger. So now I will press hash for a long time. Now I will not use 1234 because my management password is changed to 456456. I will use that 456456 and hash. Then 1 hash. Now which place? Because 001 we already used, I will use 002 hash. Now I will press finger again, unless it turns green. It turns green. Now this finger is registered. So now let's open with this finger. Try with this thumb. It will not open. It will open with this. Alright, so right now on 001 place we have stored our management password, which is 456456 hash, and then on the finger I have used this finger. It's on 002. So you can use 003, 004 or 005 as well for management. So let's add user. So if I want to add user, same procedure, but user places starting from 006 to 0013. So let's try. I will press hash. I will press 456456 hash. Alright, then I will press 1 hash, because I'm going to use user, so 006 and then hash. Now for example, I will go with user code. I want to keep 147147 hash, again 147147 hash. It's done. So now we can open with 456456. It's our management password. And if I want to open with the user, 147147 hash. Open. Now let's add user finger. How to do it? Same procedure. I will press hash. My management password was 456456 hash. Then 1 hash. 006 we already use. I will use 007 hash. I will use my thumb. Done. So now I can open with this. Yes, I can open. Green. Okay, I can use both. So you can use multiple, like from 006 to 0013 user, 001 to 005 management. So this is how you can add. It's very easy. So there is one good feature about the Safe Box. This have double authentication mode as well if you want to switch it on. So double authentication mode, for example, right now it's in single authentication, means you can open with number or with finger. Let's say I'll try with finger as well. But in double authentication mode, you will have to enter both. So how we can on it? Press hash. Again, management password, hash, then 3 hash, 1 hash. So let's try. As we opened before, 456456 hash. This will ask, the green light is not on. Why? Because we have to press the finger. Now we can open. So this is how you will switch on the double authentication. How to revert back to single authentication? It's very easy. Same, I have to press hash. 456456 is my management password, which I changed. Then press hash. Now I need to enter my finger as well because it's management finger. Now I will press 3 hash 0 hash. So it's reverted back to the normal, like 456456. I can open. Alright, this is how you revert back to single authentication mode. If you want to reset the Safe Box, alright, so for resetting the Safe Box, you must know your management password. That's why it's very important. So how you will do it? You will press hash for a long time, enter your management password 456456 hash, then 5 hash 0 hash 0 hash. After some time you will see green. Now it's reverted back to its factory setup, which was 1 2 3 4, and I can open with any finger. For example, I will try with this finger. I can open, and let's try the password. I can open the password also, like the old password. So this is how you will reset the Safe Box. How to open in case of emergency. Let's say you forgot your password and you need your valuables right now on immediate basis. Then you can use this key, both keys. So how to use this key? User key you know already. You just need to insert this, turn it right. Way to put master key. All you need to do, you need to turn this here and insert the key. There is a key lock hole there, and then hold it on this position and open. You can open in case of emergency.